When does a pile of parts become a motorcycle? That was the dispute that my client had with his insurance company. Welcome and thank you for joining me. My name is Ben Schmitt. I'm an attorney practicing personal injury and insurance law in Kansas and Missouri. My client, in January of a given year, purchased a pile of parts. That's all it was. We call them a basket case. In other words, he got parts to a motorcycle that was incomplete that required assembly. In this case, he also had a 1961 Harley-Davidson Panhead. The pile of parts he had was a 1953 Harley-Davidson Panhead. The motorcycle was eventually assembled and put in running condition. My client took it for a ride, first day, April 10th. On that same day, about 2 miles from his home, a motorist crossed the center line and hit my client head on. The insurance company denied coverage in this case. What coverage did my client seek? Well, he wanted underinsured motorist benefits. In other words, the car who crossed the center line hit him and didn't have enough insurance to protect him and pay for his injuries. My client was a very sophisticated insurance consumer. He purchased uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage in the amount of $250,000 on his motorcycles. Starting again, he owned the 1961 Harley-Davidson Panhead. That was insured under the policy he purchased. He purchased a pile of parts and was riding what was essentially a pile of parts at the time of the accident. Our contention was that the policy covering the 61 provided coverage for the 53. As I've told you, the insurance company denied. Why did they deny coverage? When he purchased the vintage motorcycle, he got a title for it. Any of you motorcycle restorers know that titles follow either engine cases or frames. It doesn't require a full running motorcycle to get a title. A license, yes, not a title. The insurance company said, well, you've titled the motorcycle and it was outside 30 days, greater than 30 days from when you purchased it. Therefore, we're not covering it. You see, this policy says that if you let us know about a bike that you get within 30 days of getting it, you have the same coverage. You get the same coverage as the 1961 model. What the insurance company didn't understand, however, is what I've just told you, and that is that a pile of parts is not a motorcycle. We had to file suit on the case, and I asked the adjuster, when does a pile of parts become a motorcycle? And the adjuster told me that when it's capable of running, stopping, and being operated on the street. In this particular case, this pile of parts became a motorcycle 10 days before the accident. Within hours after the deposition of this claim adjuster, the insurance company paid its policy limits of $250,000. Why am I telling you this? You're watching this video because you're having difficulty with an insurance company. Maybe it's your uninsured motorist, maybe it's your underinsured motorist. I handle these cases every day. Pick up the phone and call me with your circumstance and I'll be happy to discuss it with you. My name is Ben Schmitt. Thank you for watching.